Introduce highlight features and quick overview of NEXSMART All-in-one Desktop Computer with Intel i7 and pre-installed Windows 10 All-in-one Computer. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are included. Monitor 23.8-inch FHD, a UHD monitor for an exceptional viewing experience. The display adopts a beautiful 23.8-inch screen, and the high-end bracket perfectly highlights the display, which can provide excellent image quality for all your uses. To this end, it relies on a resolution of 1920 x 1080p at 60 Hz, capable of displaying up to 8 million pixels and an ultra-fast response time of 1 millisecond. Ensuring smooth images even in the fastest action scenes. The height can be adjusted freely and can be applied to different groups of people. Can be used better and more comfortably. The huge heat dissipation space behind can fully heat the computer. 23.8 high-definition display, can run more smoothly, ensure comfortable viewing. The picture-by-picture function allows you to view two video inputs simultaneously on one screen while maintaining the image quality of the source. Because more inputs are used in Picture-in-Picture 2.0, you can perform multiple tasks while viewing various content on the screen. Enlarge the small image to cover 25% of the screen and place it where you want it. The sound parameters are also very easy to adjust. You can rotate the screen 180 degrees, choose according to your different needs. The hardware interface has useful and complex connections to maximize your gaming experience. And achieve ultra-smooth connections with computers and audio-visual equipment through ports and different VAG ports, which makes it an ideal partner for PCs and other game consoles. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.